Hello and welcome back to another video. Today we are playing Chicken Stars Obby! If you like random-ass videos like this, please subscribe or drop a like. Damn, this game has some fire music. What is Wally West doing here? Nakabroded is faster than you. Why is everything made out of the Chicken Stars prankster from the movie Leo? I remember that kid used to deepen his voice.
Even though he talked like this.
This game is fire. But I've already had enough of this Chicken Stars spam. I'm out.